We're gathered here today with family members and close friends in this beautiful setting to celebrate one of life's greatest moments in this special day in your life, and to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to treasure the words that will unite you in marriage.
Yeah. This is so cool, sis. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, Ashley.
I have been looking forward to this day my entire life. I'm so happy that we get to spend the rest of our lives together. I promise to cherish and respect our marriage. I promise to always love you. I can't wait to start our life together as husband and wife. I love you, babe. This ring
Is a gift for you,
is a gift for you,
symbolizing my desire that you will be my beloved wife.
that you will be my beloved wife.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
I vow to you.
I vow to you,
I promise to love you.
I promise to love you,
I promise to respect you
I promise to respect you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days of your life.
all the days of your life.
Hey cutie, you are the most amazing, beautiful, and caring woman I have ever met. The moment I met you, I knew you were special, and I am so happy I found you. You are my world, and I can't wait to see where we end up. Love, babe.
This love is like the ocean.
Thank you.
It's crashing over me. It's like falling rain on the driest plains, as far as eyes can see. And this love is
So pretty.
like the trees
I love you.
I love you too, beautiful.
that are looking down on top of me. And this love is like
Robbie, with this understanding, do you take beautiful Ashley to be your beloved wife? Do you promise to be a tender, faithful husband to her, to love and cherish her in sickness and in health, for richer or for poor, for better or for worse? And Robbie, do you promise to save yourself only to Ashley?
I do.
I can't get enough of you.
This ring
This ring
is a gift for you,
is a gift for you,
symbolizing my desire
symbolizing my desire
that you will be my beloved husband.
that you will be my beloved husband.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
I vow to you.
I vow to you.
I promise to love you.
I promise to love you.
I promise to respect you
I promise to respect you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days of your life.
all the days of your life.
Daddy's here for everyone to see.
Tell each other you love each other every single day, and appreciate the little things, because there's going to be some probably bigger moments that are going to come, that are going to be some hurdles you'll have to get through.
A good man's face on his wedding day when he sees his bride to be. It's like a little girl holding daddy's hand for everyone to see. Yeah, this love is like no other. It's taking over me. Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to.
Like, I've got to know Ashley through our various interactions over the years, and And Ashley, you've brought like nothing but good like to every interaction that we've had. Like it's so sweet to have you around. Like, yeah, I'm really looking forward to continuing our friendship over the years.
Robbie and Ashley have witnessed your vows of marriage for all who are gathered here today, and by the power invested in me is with a great joy that I pronounce that you are husband and wife. And we see your vows very close.